A scuffle broke out between police and student protesters at Standard College, Gongba today over burning effigies of Manipur DGP, Security Advisor and Chief Secretary at the college premise today. During the protest carried out as part of the Kokomi's mass agitation against the Gwaltabi incident, students of Standard College under the aegis of Kokomi Students Front burned the effigies of Manipur DGP, Security Advisor and Chief Secretary at the college premise, demanding their resignation. However, police tried to prevent the protesters from burning the effigies, following which a brief scuffle ensued between the two sides. Speaking to media, General Secretary of Standard College Students Union, Asim Vivek Raj, denounced the Gwaltabi incident, stating that there must be and insist on the act of the security forces who instructed to remove the Manipur state signage from a bus carrying journalists en route to cover Shiroi Lily Festival. He also condemned the police action of locking Desam head office yesterday while announcing that they will continue to carry out agitations unless Manipur governor tender a formal apology for the Gwaltabi incident.
Injan Mongda MSD bus Satpuda, Manipur Tabia, Hajna, Givadugi, Sat Hamoina, when by raising human Pusida, Sarukama Yaudi Habi Wakalunda, which Atra Punmugiwena, Asija, Kokoles, the Gato Kokoles, Jodum, Punbun, Punjan Zaraga, Manipur Kaminazi, Hajna, Way Polakuna, Manipur Governor Abadi, Chief Secretary, DGP, Lagi Security Advisor, Singasina, Moral Grounda, Tado, Madi Governor Miamda, Lali Hajuna, Hajana Bugidama. Quite what is it?